Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to farm rare items in Diablo 4, and I'm going to walk you through the most efficient methods that work right now in 2026. Step 1. Start by running nightmare dungeons consistently because they have the highest drop rate for rare and unique items. You'll want to pick dungeons that match your character's resistances and damage type. Make sure you're doing dungeons at your power level or slightly above, and always loot everything because rares drop frequently. Step 2. Hit up Healthite events whenever they're available because these are gold mines for rare gear. You'll collect cinders by killing demons and breaking cursed chests, then spend them at the Healthite chests for guaranteed rares. The unique Healthite chests give you the best odds, so save your cinders for those. Step 3. Farm Duriel and other bosses in the pit because world bosses drop significantly more rares than regular enemies. You can do this solo or with a group, and it's worth doing multiple times since the bosses respawn. Stack your item find gear before facing them to maximize your loot. Step 4. Engage in PvP in designated areas because players drop excellent rare items when defeated. This is risky but rewarding if you're confident in your build. Make sure you're prepared for combat and have backup gear ready. Step 5. Utilize the seasonal events and limited time dungeons that rotate in and out, because these often have enhanced drop rates for rare items. Check your calendar regularly and participate whenever possible to snag those exclusive rares before they're gone.